Good morning. And we now continue the second part of simple present tense. Okay. We have already discussed some points. Today, I will give you some extra points now. For example, हम देखेंगे क्या क्या होता है उसमें. Okay. So next point is now, the simple present is also used to express some quotations. Quotation को इस्तेमाल करने के लिए हम simple present को use करेंगे. Example देंगे. John Keats says, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. John Keats is the name of the poet, third person singular number. We use here says. People say no pain, no gain. People is plural. Therefore, we use say no pain, no gain is the quotation. Okay? Like this also. Next point को हम जाएंगे. क्या होता है? अगर हम किसी स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट्स को डिस्कशन करेंगे स्पोकन के ब्रॉडकास्ट में, टेलीकास्ट में, we can use also simple present instead of a present continuous or progressive. So it is used to express sports events in broadcasting commentaries instead of present continuous. Example, Virat Kohli bats on 90 runs now. Dhoni faces Malinga now. Like this also. These are used for the sports events in broadcasting commentaries. Okay. So very, very important point I am going to say you now. Simple present can be used to express future action for which the time is scheduled or fixed. In future, एक particular time में किसी काम को हम fix करेंगे according to timetable, according to news notification, according to official notification, like this. So we can use simple present to express the future action, near future action. For example, the school reopens on 20 December. The office reopens on 30 December. Like this also. Because school and office, they are third person singular number. We used reopens. Understand? So that is the thing. We are, if you used in next terms, next position. But now I say, we go to Puri at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Because 10 a.m. tomorrow is fixed. Okay. So it's very important. Okay. तो next point क्या करेंगे हम? different way में use होता है. ये क्या होता है? Next point में आएगा. So the simple present is used to express future action in a restrictive way. What is the restrictive way? We should know it. हम जानना चाहेंगे तो restrictive way क्या है? So verb must be in the form of going and coming, such as go, come, arrive, embark, reach, leave, sail, fly, set out, etc. Okay. इसमें क्या होता है फिर? ये जाने आने के लिए होता है. The uses is only for the uses of the verb are only for traveling and fixed in a future time. Future time में जो fix हो जाता है traveling में, हम a से is this verb को use कर सकते हैं. We sail for Chennai tomorrow at 7 a.m. My uncle embarks here at 5 p.m. tomorrow. Okay. These are the restrictive way for the use of the simple present for future action. Okay. Next we use if the, very, very important point this one also. If the verb of the main clause remains in future time, then the verb of the subordinate clause becomes simple present instead of a future. If it begins with till, until, as soon as, when, before, after, if, unless, etc. Okay? अगर ये subordinate clause these adverb के साथ शुरू होता है और main clause सिंपल पास्ट को सिंपल फ्यूचर को इंडिकेट करता है, तो सबऑर्डिनेट पार्ट में ये वर्ब फ्यूचर के इंस्टेड क्या होता है? सिंपल प्रेजेंट होता है. For example, I shall go to market when my father comes here. We shall visit the zoo when the teacher brings ticket for us. Okay, these are called what? The future action, but it is used in simple present. Okay, then come to another point, what it is. We can use there some certain verbs which are always used in simple present instead of a present continuous. Okay, these are what used. How can you use them? कितने वर्ब है जो हर दिन हर काम में हर टाइम में प्रेजेंट सिंपल में यूज होता है इंस्टेड ऑफ अ प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस के इंस्टेड होता है क्या है, इसके अलावा ये यूज होता है सिंपल प्रेजेंट में. कैसे होता है, कौन सा वर्ब है? सब फॉर एग्जांपल वी सी सच वर्ब्स आर व्हाट? सी, हियर. हियर मतलब सुनना, HEAR. See, hear, smell, taste, notice, recognize, appear, seem, look, feel, hope, imagine, consider, prefer, believe, trust, want, wish, desire, love, hate, like, dislike, know, acknowledge, understand, possess, contain, consist of, belong to, have, etc. These are the verbs are always used in simple present instead of present continuous. Present continuous meaning के साथ simple present में यूज होता है. Okay? I love my parents. We believe in God. The sky looks fine today. Okay, these are all called the simple present tense. Okay, so these are very 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 important points that we have to remember. उनके साथ ये टेंस सिंपल प्रेजेंट अभी खत्म हो जाता है और हम दूसरे क्लास में प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस को शुरू करेंगे. ओके, टिल देन बाय. नेवर फॉरगेट टू शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. बाय.